What up, YouTube, man? This is our first video, man, for our channel, man. JD4E, man. My name Jesse.
My name Deja.
And JD4E stands for Jesse Deja Forever, man. We jumping straight into it, man. We not doing no introduction video. We jumping straight into it. 25 kisses lead my girlfriend on, man. So let's get to it, man. The first kiss right now, man. We gonna start it off with a forehead kiss. So let's get to it, baby. Sent a shock through my body already. Alright, man, so the next kiss, man, is Eskimo kiss, man. It's like a nose-to-nose kiss. So, just like some dog shit. Alright, man, so that's kiss, man. So third kiss, man, is the French kiss. Ooh, come here.
Whoa, Jesse.
Alright, man, so the next
Stupid.
so the next kiss, man, is single lip kiss. So I'm gonna get the bottom lip.
I get the top.
You get the top lip. Alright,
Alright.
let's go.
Nope. That's it.
Alright, so that's the single lip kiss, man. Y'all see I'm into it, man. I'm ready. Alright. So number 5, man, this kiss is called the hand kiss, man. Oh shit. Gotta make sure it's right, you know what I'm saying?
So romantic.
Thank you. Alright, man, so that's number 5, man. That's the hand kiss, man. Alright, man, so number 6, man, this is the Illog kiss, bro. You gotta do me first. You can do me first. Gotta get on camera, let them see. Ooh, let me see.
Yeah,
Yeah. She got a little wrap on, man. I'ma still get up in that though.
You better not put your tongue in on. Why would you
Alright, so that's the Illog kiss, man. So number 7, man, this is the butterfly kiss, man. So it's like you put your cheek together and then you blink your eyelashes together. I don't know.
Floating your eyelashes.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. Now let me see, so you can see it on camera. Let me see. Let's see.
Yes, duh.
Alright, man. So that right there is called the
Butterfly kiss.
the butterfly kiss, man. So number 8, man, this is the Spiderman kiss. So she gonna be upside down, and then I'm gonna get on top, and then I'm gonna give her a kiss. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it. Oh yeah, right there. That's perfect.
Whoa, Jesse. Alright.
Alright, man, so that's number 8, man. That is the Spider-Man kiss, man. And this kiss right here, man, number 9, man, this is the vampire kiss, man. You just suck on the neck. Just on the neck. Shit. I love this kiss. Come on, I'm ready for it. Oh shit.
You didn't even let me kiss you.
Go ahead, get it going. Alright, man, so that was number 9, man. That was the vampire kiss, man. This one right here, man, y'all see a lot of people doing this. This is called the air kiss.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Ready?
It's like a little formal greeting.
I feel sophisticated. Like,
Yeah.
it's a sophisticated kiss, man.
Yeah.
So, all right, man, that was number 10, man. That was the air kiss. Number 11, man, this is the peck kiss. So, this is the kiss she always give me. Like, let me see. This how. That's the kiss that she always give me.
Cause they be trying to give me wet kisses and
I be trying to get into it, man. Like, yeah. All right, man. So that's the pet kiss, man. So The next kiss right now is the nipple kiss. We can't show y'all that one on YouTube, but y'all get the point, man. So let's see what's next. All right, so this one here is like the neck kiss. So it's kind of like the vampire kiss, but it's the neck kiss. So you just, I guess, you know, I'm gonna show you how to do this. I'm ready, baby.
Yeah.
Shit. All right, so that's the neck
like
kiss.
A French kiss on your neck.
Yeah. So that's the neck kiss, man. That was number 13. Number 14, man. This is the cheek kiss. You know. So let me get that cheek, baby.
You supposed to just peck me on my cheek.
Don't worry about all that. I'm trying to. Oh shit. Alright, man. So that's number 14. That's the cheek kiss. Number 15, man. This is the bite kiss. Ooh, give me them lips, baby. So that's the bite kiss right there, man. That's number 15. That's the bite kiss. Number 16, man. This is the body kiss, man. So kissing her anywhere that I want her body. We ain't gonna go, you know, too deep or nothing like that. But I'm gonna kiss her like right here, man. So it's the body kiss right there. I guess you can kiss me in the same spot. Alright, man, so that's number 16. That's the body kiss, man. Number 17 is the lizard kiss. Ooh, what's
this
the
how
lizard
he be
kiss?
liking to kiss me, y'all.
This the lizard kiss. Ooh, bring it here. Come here, come here.
No.
That's number 17, man. That's the lizard kiss, man. And this one right here, number 18 is the top of the head kiss, man. So sometimes I kiss her like this, man. When she, you know, when I'm just looking at her, I'm like, bro, I'm so happy. Like, I'm so proud of you. And, you know, I love you. And then I give her that kiss on top of the head. You know what I'm saying? I'm proud of you. All right, man. So that's number 18, man. Top of the head kiss. And then we got number 19. This is the shoulder kiss. Ooh. Hair back like this.
You stupid.
And then you trying to get a little spicy, man, for all my young kids out there, young folks out there, you know what I'm saying? Just turned 17, 18. Lick it a little bit.
Bruh. What is wrong with you?
Ooh. Ooh.
That's all.
That's
all
it right
you
now?
need.
Okay, that's it right now. That's it. All right, man, so that was number 19, man. That's the shoulder kiss, man. So number 20, this is the angel kiss. You know what I'm saying? This is where you kiss the eye. I actually do this a lot.
Yeah, he do actually kiss
I
my
do this a lot,
eyelids,
man.
y'all.
So I ain't even know this was called an angel kiss, so I've been doing it, man. So let me show you how the angel kiss, you know what I'm saying? Gotta give me one time, give me a little right there, right there.
All right. You not gonna close your eye?
I just fucking Alright, man, so that's number 20. That's the eye kiss, man. Number 21, man, this is the nose kiss, man. So it's like lip to nose, basically. So
There's some weird shit you would do too.
I think I do be kissing your nose sometimes.
Yeah, just a weird
So that's number 21, man. That's nose kiss, lip to nose. Number 22, man, is vacuum kiss. So
So it's literally, it's literally you sucking the breath out of the other person.
Right. So that's number 22, man. That's the vacuum kiss, man. Then we got number 23, man. That is the tongue sucking kiss. Oh. Oh. Bring it here. Bring that tongue here.
What is wrong with you?
Whew. All right, y'all. That's number 23. That's the tongue sucking kiss, number 23, man. Then we got number 24, man. This is the hickey kiss, man. Not finna give her a hickey, but we gonna show y'all the kiss anyway, though. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like the vampire kiss,
right?
You know what I'm saying? Just a little hickey kiss. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know, come on, you go on here. Ooh. Oh shit! All right. Oh Lord! All right, so that's the hickey kiss, man. Then number 25, man. This is the jawline kiss, man. It's the last kiss. We gotta go all out with this one, man. This is the jawline. I like this.
Yes, stupid.
I got a beard though, but you know you can still hit me. You can still hit daddy. Ooh. Man. So that's the 25 kisses, man. Forehead kiss all the way to the jawline kiss, man. Man, make sure y'all like, man, comment, subscribe, bro. Like this, like I said, this is our fresh channel.
Jumping right into
it, man. We not hesitating. We jumping straight into it, man. We finna give y'all endless challenges, endless pranks, all type of so, man, just, you know what I'm saying, hit that like, man, hit that subscribe button, turn us up, man, so we can get in the algorithm, man. For sure. Get us monetized. We ain't even monetized yet. Right. Get us monetized, man. Say it.
JD Gang, we out.
So I say, man, JD Gang, man, y'all stay lit, man. Y'all stay whatever, man. If you subscribe, man, you a part of JD Gang, man. Like I say, man, JD4E, man, we out.